How to add multiple phone camera inside vMix. Yes, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as a webcam inside vMix, and you're going to use multiple phone. So stay with me and let's dive straight into the tutorial. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new video. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media. All right, so we are going to be making use of this app called Iron Webcam or Iron Webcam, depending on how you call it. Okay. All right, so you're going to install it on your PC and you're going to have it installed on the phones you'll be making use of. So I'm going to install it on these two phones right here. All right, so let's install it on our PC. Head over to your browser and you can just type Iron Webcam. All right, Iron Webcam for PC. Click it, and the first link you will see right there, click it. All right, and you will see webcam for Windows. If you are using Mac, if you are using Linux, you can download anyone that matches your PC. Okay, but if you are using Windows, go for the first option, download, click it. So once you click it, the download will begin. All right, so once it's completed, go ahead and open the file. Let's wait for it. Select yes. Once you select yes, this page will now open. Accept the terms and conditions, and then take note. Number of cameras. This is where most people get it wrong. All right. So most people have been complaining, my Iron webcam, I can only add only one camera. This is the mistake you made while installing it. All right. So this number of camera, you're going to click the drop down arrow and select 4. Okay. All right. So this will enable you to add even 4 cameras at a time. Right, so click next, and then install. So it's going to download an additional file. Ensure you are connected to the internet. Okay, then give it some time and it will download the additional file. All right, so let's wait for it. Ensure you like and share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Okay. All right, so let's give it a second. If you have any question, you can drop it. If there's any tutorial you would want me to make, you can drop it at the comment section as well. All right, let me know and I will help you out. All right, so once you are through, once the installation is complete, you can click finish and then the app will start automatically. So you are going to install the app on your phone as well. All right, so head over to your Play Store. All right, so head over to your Play Store, come to your search bar, and you can type Iron Webcam. Okay, Iron Webcam. All right, so you are going to install it. Mind, they are showing me to update. I already have it installed on my phone. All right, so click install, and once the installation is complete, so click install, and once the download is complete and the installation is complete, go ahead and open it. All right, so you're going to download and install it on the both phone you'll be making use of. All right, so head over to your Apple Store or your Play Store and install the Iron Webcam. Okay, so once you are through with the installation, go ahead and launch it on the phones, and then take notes. All these phones must be connected to one network. Okay, both the computer, they should be connected to one network. If you have a router, you can connect everything to the router. All right, so they'll be roaming on one network. All right, so once you've connected them, go ahead and open the Iron Webcam on the phone. All right, let me open it right here, and let me open this one as well. Okay, so once you are connected to the same network, the connection will start automatically. Your webcam will start showing automatically. All right, as you can see on the screen right here, I'm currently using 2 phones. All right, let me position this phone right here. Let me position it right here, and this is the second phone. All right, so if I come to camera 2, if I click on camera 2, you can see the second phone. If I click on camera 1, this is this phone right here. You can see this is my hand, this is me waving right here. All right, so now let's add this into vMix. All right, so head over to your vMix, come to add inputs, come to add input, go to camera. All right, go to camera. On this first box, you are going to select it and then select Iron webcam. Yeah, you are seeing Iron webcam 234. Those ones, there are other phones you can actually add, but we are adding the first phone, so you go for Iron webcam. Okay, all right, so the resolution, leave it on 1920 1080. Okay, and then the audio device, you can turn this off if you, since you are already getting your audio from your mixer. Okay, but if you want to make use of the phone audio, you can leave it selected. But if you are getting an audio from your mixer, ensure you select none for the audio device and then hit OK. All right, so you can see this phone has been added to the vMix. All right, so let's add this second phone right here. Go to your add input, come to camera, come to the camera box, and this time around we are selecting Iron webcam 2. Okay, select Iron webcam 2, audio device, put it on none. All right, so you hit OK. All right, so you can see I have two phones connected. Okay, this is the first phone, this is the second phone. So you can see I have two phones connected depending on the strength of your network. All right, so if your network is very fast, your Hero webcam will work effectively for you. Okay, all right, so that's how to use your phone as a webcam in vMix. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to Gentle Media. All right, so see you in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.